Good morning. Sean Kreiderman, President, Saddlebrook Pickleball Association. We're here today, Friday, February 13th, at approximately 11:05 a.m. to film and get the audio and visual of our brand new yellow soft onyx ball and the regular, always used plastic wiffle pickleball. You'll be seeing in a moment a demonstration of both the regular ball and the new onyx ball.
0-0.
I'm nervous.
One, 0, 2.
I just got to switch back to this ball now. I got it.
Okay.
All right, the sound test was done during the average of normal play, which ran 72 to 78 decibels. However, when the ball was hit hard, it ran from 84 to 90 decibels. This is at the center of the court.
Long strokes.
Standing in the center of the court next to the net on the outside edge, I measured the ambient noise of 49 to 51 decibels. When the people were playing, the average noise during the normal play was 54 to 60 decibels, with a high of being between 64 to 68 when the ball was hit extremely hard. When the court next to this court was played on. I measured on average play 51 decibels with a high of 60 decibels. The far court, which is 2 courts away, the best reading I could get on the high was 54 decibels. The low was drowned out with the ambient noise, and there were some birds chirping, and that drowned out the rest of the noise, so I couldn't get a true rating for during normal play. We next took some readings on some ladies playing tennis. The one gal that we recorded had a soft serve, and she was consistently running 64 decibels. The return of serve was consistently 69 decibels. The play during normal play, the recordings I got on the hit were 60, 62, 67. So we could say that tennis runs in the 60 area of normal play.